According to the National Fire Protection Association 99 Healthcare Facilities Code, outpatient care facilities require a dedicated lighting panel for patient care areas. This is to ensure uninterrupted lighting in the event of an emergency. The reasoning behind this is that medical procedures and patient safety rely on adequate lighting, and emergencies such as power outages could compromise patient care. NFPA 99 generally recommends against mixing lighting and receptacles on the same panel, as this could create a safety hazard. However, there are exceptions. In certain cases, mixing is allowed if firstly, the lighting and receptacles are clearly labeled, secondly, a panel is designed to handle the combined load, and thirdly, there are adequate overcurrent protection devices. For a remodel, it's recommended to install a dedicated lighting panel for patient care areas. This will ensure compliance with NFPA 99 and ensure uninterrupted lighting during emergencies. If possible, consider separating lighting and receptacles onto different panels for improved safety. If there are any questions or concerns about the electrical system, consult with a licensed electrician for professional guidance. In addition, ensure that the remodeled facility has adequate emergency lighting systems in accordance with NFPA 101 Life Safety Code. Also, meet the recommended lighting levels for outpatient care facilities to promote patient safety and well-being. Collaborate with a lighting designer to optimize lighting for patient care, staff efficiency, and energy efficiency. When designing an electrical system for an outpatient care facility, understanding and adhering to relevant codes and standards is critical. NFPA 99, the Healthcare Facilities Code, provides comprehensive guidelines to ensure patient safety and operational reliability. One key aspect is the provision of a dedicated lighting panel for patient care areas. The rationale behind this requirement stems from the need to maintain uninterrupted lighting during medical procedures and other critical patient care activities. In the event of a power outage or electrical fault, a dedicated lighting panel ensures that essential lighting systems remain operational, preventing potential compromises to patient safety. While NFPA 99 generally advises against mixing lighting and receptacles on the same panel, exceptions may be considered under specific circumstances. Firstly, all lighting and receptacle circuits must be clearly labeled, making it easy to identify and isolate circuits if necessary. Secondly, the electrical panel must be adequately sized to accommodate the combined load of lighting and receptacles, ensuring that it operates within its capacity and avoids overloading. Thirdly, appropriate overcurrent protection devices, such as circuit breakers or fuses, must be installed to protect against overloads and short circuits. It is advisable to install a dedicated lighting panel specifically for patient care areas during a remodel. This proactive approach aligns with the intent of NFPA 99 and helps to mitigate potential risks. By separating lighting circuits from receptacle circuits, facilities can enhance electrical safety and improve the reliability of lighting systems in critical areas. Engaging a licensed electrician is essential for any electrical work, particularly in healthcare settings. Electricians possess the knowledge and expertise to assess the existing electrical system, ensure compliance with applicable codes, and make informed recommendations for upgrades or modifications. They can help determine the appropriate size and configuration of the lighting panel, select suitable overcurrent protection devices, and verify the integrity of the entire electrical system. Emergency lighting is another crucial consideration for outpatient care facilities. NFPA 101, the Life Safety Code, establishes requirements for emergency lighting systems to ensure safe egress during power outages or other emergencies. These systems typically include battery-powered lights or generators that automatically activate when normal power is lost. Regular testing and maintenance of emergency lighting systems are essential to verify their operational readiness. Adhering to recommended lighting levels is vital for creating a safe and comfortable environment for patients and staff. Insufficient lighting can lead to eye strain, fatigue, and increased risk of accidents, while excessive lighting can cause glare and discomfort. Lighting designers can assist in selecting appropriate light fixtures, optimizing light placement, and controlling light levels to meet the specific needs of the facility. Collaboration between facility managers, healthcare professionals, and lighting designers is essential to achieve optimal lighting solutions. This collaborative approach can help create a healing environment that promotes patient well-being and supports the efficient delivery of healthcare services. Energy efficiency is an increasingly important consideration in lighting design. Energy-efficient lighting technologies, such as LED lighting, can significantly reduce energy consumption and operating costs. LED lights offer several advantages over traditional lighting sources, including longer lifespan, lower heat output, and improved light quality. Furthermore, integrating lighting controls, such as occupancy sensors and dimming systems, can further enhance energy efficiency by automatically adjusting light levels based on occupancy and daylight availability. Regular inspections and maintenance of the electrical system are essential for ensuring its continued safety and reliability. Inspections can help identify potential hazards, such as loose connections, damaged wiring, or overloaded circuits. Maintenance activities such as tightening connections, replacing worn components, and testing overcurrent protection devices can help prevent electrical failures and extend the lifespan of the system. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, provides comprehensive guidelines for electrical installations, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, and grounding requirements. Adhering to the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety and integrity of the electrical system. Local building codes and regulations may impose additional requirements or restrictions on electrical installations in healthcare facilities. It is essential to consult with local authorities to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. The authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, is the entity responsible for enforcing electrical codes and regulations. The AHJ may conduct inspections, review plans, and issue permits to ensure compliance with applicable requirements. Engaging with the AHJ early in the design process can help avoid potential delays and ensure that the electrical system meets all necessary requirements. Furthermore, proper grounding and bonding are essential for electrical safety. Grounding provides a low-impedance path for fault current to flow back to the source, allowing overcurrent protection devices to quickly trip and to energize the circuit. Bonding connects all metal parts of the electrical system together to create a common ground, preventing voltage differences that could pose a shock hazard. Surge protection devices can help protect sensitive electronic equipment from voltage spikes caused by lightning strikes or power surges. These devices divert excess voltage away from the equipment, preventing damage or malfunction. Surge protection is particularly important in healthcare facilities where critical medical equipment relies on a stable and reliable power supply. The use of arc fault circuit interrupters, or AFSIs, is recommended for certain circuits in healthcare facilities. AFSIs detect arc faults, which are dangerous electrical conditions that can lead to fires. When an arc fault is detected, the AFSI quickly trips the circuit, preventing a fire from starting. The use of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, is also recommended for certain circuits in healthcare facilities, particularly in wet or damp locations. GFCIs detect ground faults, which are electrical conditions that can cause electric shock. When a ground fault is detected, the GFCI quickly trips the circuit, preventing a potentially fatal shock. Regular training for staff on electrical safety procedures is essential. This training should cover topics such as identifying potential hazards, using electrical equipment safely, and responding to electrical emergencies. By promoting a culture of safety, healthcare facilities can reduce the risk of electrical accidents and ensure the well-being of patients and staff. Additionally, it is beneficial to keep detailed records of all electrical work performed in the facility. These records should include information such as the date of the work, the scope of the work, the materials used, and the name of the electrician who performed the work. These records can be helpful for troubleshooting electrical problems, planning future upgrades, and demonstrating compliance with regulatory requirements. The electrical system is a critical component of any outpatient care facility. By adhering to relevant codes and standards, implementing best practices for electrical safety, and engaging qualified professionals, facilities can ensure a safe, reliable, and efficient electrical system that supports the delivery of quality healthcare services. When deciding on the type of lighting to install, consider the color rendering index, or CRI, of the lights. The CRI measures how accurately a light source renders colors compared to natural daylight. A higher CRI indicates better color rendering, which is particularly important in healthcare settings where accurate color perception is essential for diagnosis and treatment. The selection of appropriate light fixtures should also take into account the glare control. Excessive glare can cause discomfort, eye strain, and reduce visibility. Light fixtures with diffusers, lenses, or reflectors can help reduce glare and create a more comfortable lighting environment. The use of layered lighting can enhance the functionality and aesthetics of a space. Layered lighting involves combining different types of lighting, such as ambient lighting, task lighting, and accent lighting, to create a balanced and visually appealing lighting scheme. Ambient lighting provides overall illumination, task lighting provides focused illumination for specific tasks, and accent lighting highlights architectural features or artwork. Consider the use of lighting controls to enhance energy efficiency and user comfort. Occupancy sensors can automatically turn lights off when a space is unoccupied, while dimming systems can allow users to adjust light levels to suit their needs. Daylight harvesting systems can automatically adjust electric lighting levels based on the amount of natural daylight available, further reducing energy consumption. When planning the layout of the electrical system, consider the placement of electrical outlets and equipment. Outlets should be conveniently located to provide access to power where it is needed, and equipment should be positioned to minimize the risk of electrical hazards. Ensure that all electrical equipment is properly grounded and that all wiring is properly installed and protected. It is also important to consider the potential for future expansion or modification of the electrical system. The system should be designed to accommodate future needs, such as the addition of new equipment or the relocation of existing equipment. This may involve installing additional conduit, increasing the size of the electrical panel, or providing additional outlets. Finally, remember that electrical safety is an ongoing responsibility. Regularly inspect the electrical system for potential hazards, maintain electrical equipment in good working order, and train staff on electrical safety procedures. By taking these steps, healthcare facilities can minimize the risk of electrical accidents and ensure a safe and reliable electrical system for years to come. In Tampa, Florida, ensuring compliance with local and national electrical codes is crucial for any outpatient care facility remodel.